My name is John Damianos. I'm a clinical fellow in gastroenterology and hepatology at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Much of my clinical and research interests focus on the role of the gut microbiome in gastrointestinal and systemic health, and particularly how modulation of the gut microbiome can help prevent and even treat certain disorders. I'm very excited to be talking to you about one of my favorite topics, irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. We'll be tackling IBS from all angles, from its epidemiology, pathophysiology, and then spending the bulk of our time examining the literature on the treatment of IBS, particularly in the non-pharmacologic realm. I'm very excited to share with you some of the latest in the non-pharmacologic management of IBS. We'll be diving into things like diets, supplements such as probiotics, and even psychological based therapies such as gut directed hypnotherapy and cognitive behavioral therapy. I think it's going to be a great session, and I very much look forward to it.